Welcome to Genius Brain Box.
The death of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb occurred at which among the following places? A. Agra. B. Bijapur. C. Ahmednagar. D. Pune. Correct answer, C. Ahmednagar. Aurangzeb had died in Ahmednagar on 20th February 1707 at the age of 88. Unlike other earlier Mughals, he was buried in a modest open-air grave in Kuldabad, which shows his deep devotion to his Islamic beliefs. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Baj Bahadur Malwa. B. Sultan Muzaffar Shah Gujarat. C. Yusuf Adil Shah Ahmednagar. D. Qutub Shah Golconda. Correct answer, C. Yusuf Adil Shah Ahmednagar. Yusuf Adil Shah was the founder of the Adil Shahi dynasty that ruled the Sultanate of Bijapur, which was the first monument in India constructed using Islamic architectural elements including horseshoe-shaped arches. A. Taj Mahal. B. Humayun Tomb. C. Alai Darwaza. D. Qutub Minar. Correct answer, C. Alai Darwaza. The Alai Darwaza, located in Delhi, was the first monument in India built following Islamic architecture principles, including the use of horseshoe-shaped arches. It was constructed in the 14th century by Delhi Sultanate ruler Alauddin Khilji. The Darwaza stands as an entrance to the Qutub complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, featuring distinct decorations of inlaid marble and latticed stone screens. Who among the following was appointed as the supreme authority in justice during the era of Mughal emperors? A. Ghazi-ul Quzat. B. Ghazi-ul Hajat. C. Ghazi Fajrul Islam. D. None of these. Correct answer, A. Ghazi-ul Quzat. Besides Mughal rulers, Ghazi-ul Quzat was the supreme authority in justice. Since it was difficult for the emperor to do away with justice in all the cases, he appointed Ghazi-ul Quzat to do the justice in accordance with Muslim law. Akbarnama was written originally in which among the following languages? A. Chagatai Turkic. B. Persian. C. Arabic. D. Urdu. Correct answer, B. Persian. Abul Fazl was the author of Akbarnama, which is written in Persian. It is the official history of Akbar's reign in 3 volumes. This book gives the history of Akbar's forefathers from Timur to Humayun and Akbar's reign till 1602. During the reign of Devrai II, which of the following famous temples were built in Vijayanagara Empire? A. Hampi. B. Hajura. C. Belgaum. D. None of them. Correct answer, B. Hajura. Hajura was built by Devrai II, which is one of the famous temples in the Vijayanagara Empire. The greatest of the Sangam dynasty rulers, Devrai II was an able administrator, an ambitious warrior and a man of letters. Padshanama, Chronicle of the Emperor, written by Abdul Hamid Lahori, is the official visual history giving a detailed account of the reign of which of the following Mughal emperor? A. Babur. B. Jahangir. C. Shah Jahan. D. Aurangzeb. Correct answer, C. Shah Jahan. Padshanama or Badshah Nama is a genre of works written as the official history of the Mughal emperor, Shah Jahan's reign, in whose times the Mughal Empire reached its territorial climax. A. Akbar. B. Shah Jahan. C. Aurangzeb. D. Bahadur Shah I. Correct answer. C. Aurangzeb. The Mughal Empire reached territorial climax during the reign of Aurangzeb. He ruled from 1658 to 1707. Aurangzeb policies lead to the dissolution of the empire. Who built the tomb of Itmad-ur-Dawla? A. Jahangir. B. Nur Jahan. C. Sher Shah. D. Akbar. Correct answer. B. Nur Jahan. The tomb of Itmad-ur-Dawla was constructed by the Mughal queen Nur Jahan. It was constructed between 1622 and 1628, where her father Itmad-ur-Dawla was buried. In which year, after defeating Jaipala, Mahmud of Ghazni proceeded to Gujarat, where he destroyed the temple of Somnath. A. 900 AD, B. 935 AD, C. 1025 AD, D. 810 AD. Correct answer. C. 1025 AD. In 1025, during the reign of Bhima I, the Turkic Muslim ruler Mahmud of Ghazni raided Gujarat. He raided Somnath temple and breaking its Jyotirlinga. He took away a booty of 20 million. Mahmud of Ghazni invaded India for how many times? A. 13. B. 15. C. 17. D. 19. Correct answer. C. 17. To accumulate the vast amount of wealth that existed in India and to spread Islam, Mahmud of Ghazni attacked and looted India 17 times. Who among the following ambassador was sent by Muhammad bin Tughlaq to China? A. Amir Khusro. B. Firdausi. C. Baroni. D. Ibn Battuta. Correct answer. D. Ibn Battuta. Sultan Muhammad bin Tughlaq sent the famous Arab traveller, Ibn Battuta, as an ambassador to the Chinese court of Mongol ruler. Who was the chief architect of Humayun's tomb? A. Mirza Inayatullah. B. Mirza Khalid Beg. C. Mir Jafar. D. Mirza Jaki-ur-Rahman. Correct answer. A. Mirza Inayatullah. On 27th January 1556 AD, Mughal Emperor Humayun fell from the stairs of Sher Mandal, a library at Deenpana, and died in his fort at Delhi. Hezi Begum, Humayun's wife, constructed a beautiful tomb near the fort of Deenpana. The chief architect of Humayun's tomb was Mirza Inayatullah. In context of Mughal administration, loans to farmers was called A. Takvi. B. Diwana-i-Amir Kohi. C. Diwana-Insha. D. Mufti. Correct answer. A. Takvi. In the Mughal administration, the farmers were given loans, also called takvi, for the purchase of seeds and cattle. The Bahmani kingdom was divided into A. Subhas. B. Bhaktis. C. Iktas. D. Tarafs. Correct answer. D. Tarafs. The Bahmani kingdom was divided into 4 provinces, i.e. Daulatabad, Gulbarga, Barar and Bidar, which were called Taraf. The governors of these Atraf were known as Tarafdars. Taraf means province and Atraf is plural of Taraf. Who was the ruler of Bahmani kingdom whose nickname was Zalim? A. Tajuddin Firoz Shah. B. Ahmad Shah. C. Muhammad Shah II. D. Humayun. Correct answer. D. Humayun. The Bahmani dynasty ruler, Humayun Shah was also known as Zalim or oppressor due to his cruelty. Who was the reigning ruler in Delhi when Tulsidas completed his epic text, Ramcharitmanas? A. Akbar. B. Humayun. C. Jahangir. D. Sher Shah Suri. Correct answer, A. Akbar. Tulsidas completed the writing of his epic text, Ramcharitmanas, during the reign of Akbar. Akbar was known for his policy of religious tolerance and interest in literature, having many religious books translated into Persian under his rule. Tulsidas was a revered poet and remains an important figure in Indian literature, with Ramcharitmanas considered one of the greatest works of Indian literature. The king of music, Mian Tansen, was the follower of whom? A. Muhammad Ghaus. B. Baiju Bawra. C. Amir Khusro. D. Chaitanya. Correct answer, A. Muhammad Ghaus. In 1493 AD, the king of music, Mian Tansen, was born at Behat, Gwalior. He was the follower of Muhammad Ghaus and one of the Navratnas in the royal court of the Mughal Emperor Jalal-ud-Din Muhammad Akbar. Who among the following authors wrote Masira-i-Alamgiri? A. Ishwar Das Nagar. B. Minhaj-i-Siraj. C. Ziauddin Barni. D. Al-Biruni. Correct answer, A. Ishwar Das Nagar. Masira-i-Alamgiri, a history of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb Alamgir, written by Ishwar Das Nagar. He was a Nagar Brahmin of Pattan and a Mughal civil officer in Jodhpur. Which of the following authors wrote Tarikh-i-Rashidi? A. Al-Biruni. B. Mirza Muhammad Haidar Dughal. C. Amir Khusro. Al-Biruni. Correct answer, B. Mirza Muhammad Haidar Dughal. During the Mughal era, a number of contemporary works were written. Tarikh-i-Rashidi was written by the author Mirza Muhammad Haidar Dughal. It remains the most popular text for studying about Babur's reign. Which of the following authors wrote Baburnama? A. Amir Khusro. B. Al-Biruni. C. Mirza Muhammad Haidar Dughal. D. Babur. Correct answer D. Babur. The Baburnama, also known as the Tujuk-i-Baburi or the Memoirs of Babur, is the autobiography of Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur. It constitutes a first-rate account of Babur's own career and the history of his times. Which of the following was the author of Tarikh-i-Akbar Shahi? A. Nizamuddin Ahmad. B. Muhammad Arif Kandahari. C. Mutmat Khan. D. None of the above. Correct answer, B. Muhammad Arif Kandahari. Tarikh-i-Akbar Shahi was written by Muhammad Arif Kandahari. The text presents a general survey of Muslim rule in India starting from Mahmud of Ghazni to the middle of the 16th century. Which of the following was the successor of Alaptijan who seized Ghazni? A. Mahmud of Ghani. B. Muhammad bin Qasim. C. Subukhtagin. D. None of the above. Correct answer, C. Subukhtagin. Subukhtagin, 977 to 97 CE, was the successor of Alaptijan. He was a former Turkish slave who consolidated his position and expanded his dominions as far as the Indian border. Which of the following founded the Agra city? A. Behlol Lodhi. B. Sikandar Lodhi. C. Ibrahim Lodhi. D. None of the above. Correct answer B. Sikandar Lodhi. Sikandar Lodhi founded Agra in 1504, enhancing it with buildings and establishing it as a cultural and commercial hub. He promoted Persian literature, introduced land revenue assessment, and supported agriculture, boosting prosperity in northern India. During Sultanate era, Quds referred to which of the following? A. Slaves. B. Village headmen. C. Landowners. Correct answer C. Landowners. During the Sultanate period, the village headman was known as the Muqaddam, whereas the landowners were known as Quds. The village accountant or patwari used to assist the officials in the discharge of their functions at the village level. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and comment. Goodbye.